Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a sus niños. Gracias.
Here we go.
This is the TTA.
Whoa, hold on.
Non-stop service around tomorrow.
You can. Here, I'll put my leg there. You'll hold on to it. And then you're going to hold on to it.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you
Look at
have
the Astro Orbiter.
jetpacks or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
I wish they'd reopen
Next
it.
station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trade. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two
That's
of my
always been
favorite
there. It's the
spots.
Monsters Inc. show.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light speed competition.
There it is! There's the castle! There's Disney! There it is! Oh, let's go into Space Mountain. Yeah, there's the train. It's going under us? Wow.
This is Starport 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations.
There they are. These are the roller coasters, Will.
I've never noticed those astronauts.
Huh? Yeah.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The Coral Rooms of Pisces 7. You H2O into yourself. Book today.
I'm here.
Daddy's right here. Mama's right here.
Will, you okay?
Well, we're about to go in the roller coaster. Ready? Tap your magic bands if you need some light. Here we go. We're in the ride. Somewhere. It is like pitch black. Yeah, it's like a cave. I can't even see my hand. I don't even know where we're going. There it is. There's space off on Owen's side. The fact that it's that dark and it's that bright outside is crazy. I couldn't, yeah. That was dark. How was that? Was that dark?
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your
It
flight
was
to the-
dark.
Thank you.
Turn. Was that so fun? No. I'll do Space Map. I'm not waiting. Because I can at least grab a fast pass.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the
Oh, we need to go see
Orbiter,
Stitch.
our celestial symbol of interplanetary
I think he's gonna come out over there.
Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland.
At that
for a
dance
spin
party.
amongst the planets.
Yeah, I think they're over in that snap Frontierland.
Oh yeah, we've had that.
Oh, look at that dragonfly. He was keeping up with us.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Brother, are you driving us, brother?
Are you driving, Will? Driving all crazy.
Oh wait, why didn't you want to drive the race car?
Calling all space rangers. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. I can see you on reserve.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us.
Yeah, we're gonna go ride Buzz.
Now approaching Monsters Incorporated laugh floor.
Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether
Well,
you have
we're
one
on
eye or
Disney.
none, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people.
Where's Mike
journey has
Wazowski?
nearly come full orbit.
You see
Thanks for
him?
riding with
No,
us.
he's on the
It's been a
sign
pleasure
right by
having you
him.
aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
What do you think? Best ride? Yep. Yep, there's a lot of trains.
This is the TTA Blue Line.
Come on. Whoa! You want to sit by brother and see him? Here. Sit by brother.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this.
Look, Owen. Look, over there.
The best way to see tomorrow. And my stars, there are no lights to see. Spacecraft and monsters. There's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland. Your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
So you're back.
Now approaching Tomorrowland speed limit and Tron life cycle run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Yeah. Maybe when you're really older.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy F31. Please keep all basic intervals clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
That's so cool, dude. No. Oh, I got it. Yep, I'll get it.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving. And so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops.